Chapter 9, Exercise 1, Part 3 of 9, Retainer. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name, Retainer. Save it in butterfly wall folder. Create a sketch. Select the XY plane. Draw two concentric circles starting from the origin. First circle diameter 56 mm. Second circle diameter 200 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Extrude end distance 25 mm. Hide the sketch. Now create hole. Select the threaded hole. Select M20 into 1.5 to specify the point. Sketch the section in this phase. Select point dialog. X-axis 0. Y-axis minus 75 mm. Z-axis 0. Say OK. Finish the sketch. Select normal to face. Select through body. Select subtract. OK. Now select the pattern feature. Select the M20 into 1.5 threaded hole. Select circular in the layout. Specify the vector in Z-axis. To specify the point, select the sketch origin. Spacing count and span. Count 3 count. Spacing 360 degree. Say OK. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes Chapter 9, Exercise 1, Part 3 of 9, Retainer.